Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. I'm your teacher, Emma. You look ready to learn today. Good, because today we are going to talk about something very close to you. So close, they probably hear you snore at night. Yes, your family. Oh my God, don't panic. We are not going to reveal your family's deepest secrets, like how your uncle once ate 10 boiled eggs in one sitting, or how your grandma can fall asleep in exactly 3 or 4 seconds. No, today we're just going to learn the simple, happy, safe words for family members. Words like mother, father, sister, brother, uncle, aunt, cousin, grandfather, grandmother, nephew, and niece. Easy and clean, like plain rice. Now, have you ever been in a situation where someone asks, "Tell me about your family," and your brain just freezes? Well, today we're going to tackle that exact problem. How to describe your family without revealing your deepest secrets. Whew. And don't worry, we're going to keep it super simple, super fun, and super practical. No deep dives into family drama, I promise. Unless you want to. So, imagine this. You're at a new school, or maybe you're meeting new friends on a first date, and the dreaded question comes up. So, tell me about your family. Oh my God, your palms get sweaty, your mind races. Our goal today is to learn some basic English words for family members and how to use them to give a nice, simple, and polite answer. Let's start with the absolute basics, the pillars of most families. We have mother and father. Pretty straightforward, right? Your mother is the woman who raised you, and your father is the man who raised you. Now, sometimes we use mom and dad for short. It's like calling your best friend by a nickname. It's more casual, more friendly. For example, you could say, "My mother is a great cook," or "My dad loves to tell jokes." Simple, clear. Now, let's say you have other family members living in your home, or maybe just close to you. We have sister and brother. A sister is a girl or woman who has the same parents as you. A brother is a boy or man who has the same parents as you. It's like having a built-in best friend. For instance, you could say, "I have one sister. She is older than me." Or, "I have a younger brother and he is a very energetic." See? You can describe them easily. Okay, let me give you an example. Imagine you meet someone new. They ask, "Do you have any brothers or sisters?" Instead of saying, "Well, I have a brother who thinks he's a professional gamer and a sister who collects cat memes," you can simply say, "Yes, I have one brother and one sister." Or, "No, I am an only child." This is a fantastic, simple answer. It only gives the information needed. However, sometimes people have different family structures. Maybe you have a half-brother or half-sister, meaning you share only one parent. Or maybe you have a stepmother or stepfather, meaning they are married to one of your parents. These are also important words. But for today, we're sticking to the basics. Now, let's zoom out a little and talk about the grand people. We have grandfather and grandmother. These are your parents' parents. Your mother's father is your grandfather, and your grandmother's mother is your grandmother. It's like going back one step in time on your family tree. We sometimes call them grandpa and grandma for short, just like mom and dad. For example, my grandmother loves to knit sweaters, or my grandfather taught me how to fish. See? Sweet and simple. In addition, we have aunts and uncles. An aunt is your mother's sister or your father's sister. They might spoil you a little more. For example, my aunt always gives me great birthday presents, or my uncle loves to play soccer. Again, very simple and sweet. And then there are cousins. Your cousin is the child of your aunt or uncle. Think of them as your extended playmates. They are often around your age and can be like extra brothers and sisters. You could say, I played with my cousin last summer. Or, my cousin and I went to the park. These simple sentences give enough information for a basic conversation. Finally, we have nephew and niece. A nephew is the son of your brother or sister. A niece is the daughter of your brother or sister. So if you have a brother and he has a son, that son is your nephew. If your sister has a daughter, that daughter is your niece. They are the next generation of little people in your family. For instance, my nephew is very cute. Or, my niece loves to draw. Again, very simple and sweet. Now, let's compare something. Your friends are like pizza. You choose them, and if you don't like them, you can order new ones. But your family is like Wi-Fi. You don't choose it. Sometimes it's slow, sometimes it's fast, but it's always there. So, learning family words is important because they're part of your life every day. You will talk about them when you meet new people, when your teacher asks about your life, or when you want to share a photo. Knowing these words helps you tell your story. That's powerful. Now, I want you to remember this. Practice makes perfect. It's not just a cute phrase, it's the truth. The more you use these words, the more natural they will feel. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are just proof that you are trying. You are doing amazing. You are a language learning superstar. Keep that motivation going. You are so good at this. Watch this video one more time tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. And maybe the day after that. Because repetition is the key to success. It's like brushing your teeth. You don't brush once and say, okay, done forever. No, you do it every day. That's how your English grows, like a little baby tree. Cute, green, full of power. In the comments below, tell me one simple sentence about each of the family members we learned today. For example, my father likes to read books. Or, my sister has a cat. I can't wait to see your answers. Also, if you have a friend who is just starting to learn English and needs a simple way to talk about their family, send them this video. Let's share the family power. Sharing is caring, especially when it comes to language learning. Okay, my friends, that's all for today. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more fun English lessons. You did amazing today, and I'm so happy we learned together. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Really, I'm already excited. Thank you so much for joining me today. I had so much fun with you all. I'm already looking forward to our next video together. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep being awesome. See you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.